do a little bit of trigger point therapy.
Okay.
We're gonna be going across the trap, going down even a little bit too here.
Okay.
It's not gonna feel good.
I figured. Oh man.
Now this arm
Okay.
is not gonna want to go back here, correct?
No,
Okay.
it's not.
So just kind of keep it like back like that.
Okay.
So all I did is help to open up the scapula here. And I'm gonna be coming right in.
Is that your knuckles or was that my back? Oh, okay.